Hi friends, welcome back to the SK solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this job in Autodesk Inventor software. First I will create a base. The base dimensions are 154, 74 and 20 mm thickness. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe friends. Select new, metric, standard, create, select 2D sketch, select plane, select line, give the dimension from here to here, 154 minus 54 plus 18 plus 6, 154 minus 54 minus 18 minus 6, 76. Again select line. This is 10 mm up to 6 mm. Select circle, 36 mm diameter. Again select circle, 54 mm. Fifty-six. Give the dimension from here to here, 18 mm. 18 mm. Select from here. Okay. Again okay, 10. Okay, select line here to here, give the dimension from here to here, 154, 54. Select line, 10 mm. Trim the unwanted lines. I will give this dimension later. Okay, 6 from here to here. Okay, now give the dimension. This is R28, 56 mm. This is 18. Okay, already is there. Here to here 18. Give overall thickness 20. The next is 3 dimensions are required here too. Okay, I will give the dimensions 154 divided by 2. I will use centered. Okay, next. Select this point, select origin, select vertical constraint, select this point and this point. One dimension is required, that is 36 mm. So sketch is fully constrained, you can see here bottom. Finish sketch, extrude, here select mid plane up to 74 mm. 74 mm. Click OK. Now the base is ready. Then you can see there is a one pipe is there top side, that diameters are dia 36 and dia 18, and also bottom stub is there. So from bottom to center 82 mm, from here to here 31 plus 5 mm, 36 center. Okay, select the XY plane, sketch, here select circles, (36) and dia 18. Give the dimensions 36, this is 18, and from here to here 36 mm, from bottom to center 84 mm. Select line, okay, dimension 10 mm and from center to 28 mm, from center to here 28, and here to here 5, and this is 10. Trim this. Okay, sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch, extrude, select mid plane, select only outer surface, select mid plane, the dimension is 36 mm. Okay, now ribs is there, two sides. First I will create this rib, select same plane, sketch, select line, Give the tangent constraint here to here, here to here, here to here. Extend this. Select project geometry, select this surface, this, finish sketch, extrude, mid plane, dimension is 10 mm. Click OK. Next, this side rib. For that, select one plane here, take mid plane, select this surface and this surface. Select the plane, sketch, select line, one side is enough, friends. Okay, 1 minute. Select line, okay, finish sketch, it will take half of that. Okay, again go edit sketch, delete this, select line, we want up to here, finish sketch, select rib, select this line, so give the dimension 10 mm. Click OK. Select this rib, select mirror, select rib, mirror, mirror plane XY. Okay, hide this plane, next you can see there is a one cutout that is 20 and 10 mm depth. For that, select this surface, sketch, select here 2-point rectangle, give the dimension 20 and this is 10. From center, select horizontal constraint, select center point. Okay, sketch is fully constrained, finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction, click OK. Next, holes are there, select points, so give the dimension 18 and here to here 18. From here to here 18, from here to here also 18. Select vertical constraint, give the dimensions from here to here. Okay, from here to here 18. So hole diameter is dia 12. Select hole, select simple hole, give the dimension 12, click OK. Now last is fillets, R10. Okay, select fillets, change the dimension 10, select edges, apply, select this edge, give 5, apply. If anything is missing, please let me know in the comment box, friends. All the features are completed. So now we can assign the material here. Go to steel. In the steel we can give some okay, friends, that's it today's session. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.